Hey guys, it's Friday and I took today off, which is much needed. And I'm gonna have some afternoon coffee. So we'll start with the highlight. I wanted to give you, I wanted to show you something new that I put in to organize the dolls. So you may have remembered I had a big chair here. The babies were all out, but I just had this one unit and I was looking and looking and I found this pretty unique solution and ordered it, got it yesterday and put it together. And I like it. Now, I did make one error, which is fine. 15 inches. I was assuming the opening was 15 inches, but it's not. So you can see it's a tight squeeze for newborns and only newborns can fit. And actually, Tegan cereal will probably be coming out of there, but we'll see. And I just left Maeve in her own little cubby, but we're actually going to change her. But it's really cool. So these, it's wood. So I have coming, this is an undyed organic like cheesecloth. Unused, of course, that I had. But I have this, it's adhesive felt line, like contact paper kind of. It's for, the kind of velvet that lines the inside of like a jewelry box, like earrings, if you buy earrings or necklaces, that velvet. So I have a white velvet coming in that's adhesive that sticks to wood so that I can get all the edges and the inside the wood covered. I'll just feel a little bit safer with the dolls. Yeah, so isn't that cool? So these can either go in here like flat or angled. It's just leaning, the lip is leaning. And so it's like a cool display. My little Bonnie Brown girls down here to do something about that outlet behind their head, maybe. Megan, she's also bigger. She's bigger, so putting two babies in there would be cramming. So we may have some rearranging to do. And of course they'll come out for display and stuff sometimes, but now they all have a place to go. Here's George. The only one who's not up here is Amity, because again, she's down in the dining room. So she, Tegan is gonna come probably over here. I'm not sure because George's siblings are coming next week. And the one girl is 22 inches, but she's newborn. So she'll be laying down. And the other one's preemie, so, which was kind of random. Here's my silicone babies. Little Billy. And her little belly button. And Audrey's just chilling in a diaper. She's so sweet. These fingers. Okay, so this is my niece when she was just a itty bitty. This was a Stephanie Gagos has an art auction I've mentioned before. She's also a doll collector, but I got this from one of the artists on one of her auctions. So awesome. Okay, I am going to get Maeve. We're gonna agree that it's okay that we've got some lamp light in here because it is about to storm. And just deal with the color. Yeah, it's a cool. Oh, another thing. So this thing, when I moved into the house was built in 1924, and I was looking for a tablecloth for my dining room table, and of course I'm all into the sentimental stuff, so I was looking for a 1920s tablecloth, and I found this one, but it was so much smaller than I expected that it doesn't work. But it's all embroidered. Sorry, I'm on the tripod now. So it's all embroidered. The tassels. So it actually kind of masks this unsightly thing. Pulls the browns over here. So that was really cool. I can't remember which country it was from. But it's European something. And of course, you guys see them. You've seen them before. Now, yeah. I know this is like so noisy when you're watching the video. Let's see. Get it together. Get it together. Alright, that's good. So this outfit, you guys, this little birdie ensemble, it's just a onesie and this swaddle. Let me tell you the swaddles from, because this is like seriously the softest. Piper bug. Got it on an Instagram sale with several of these and a couple outfits. They're like the softest, but I had this back with May, my first Laura, and I've held on to it because I just love it. And so we're going to try it on Maeve. Not that she's a replacement, but the size of the baby and everything is such a good look. I'm thinking I should really just take this out. Let me see how easy that is. Okay, let's get the baby. Holy moly. Now, she has not had a diaper on, because I love, you know, she's like, she flexes really nicely and stuff, but when she doesn't have it on, but I think because we're putting a simple onesie on her, I may end up doing that. We're gonna see. I could honestly look at her in this outfit for like another 6 months. But I also want to do something with her, you know. Froggy. I love how her hand falls on her knee sometimes. So I moved, the chair out of this room, obviously, so it's now at the end of my hall, which is cool. It's kind of like a little sitting area if I want to sit there, but it's always an adjustment when you move furniture, right? Because you get so used to a look, and I'm one who can get so attached to the way things are, I will resist change. So I'm kind of letting it all settle. Can you hear the thunder? I'm not sure if you'll be able to because I have my AirPods in my ears. I love this outfit. I really hope I put it back on her. Sometimes you don't come back to things. Look at this little mushy So pretty, but we're gonna go a little more simple, but let's do a diaper. It's the size one. Just a disposable, because the reusable ones I have, most of them are just like a lot bulkier. Sliding down here, maybe. See how floppy and movable she is. You'll probably notice the difference once she has the diaper on. So like, also, George doesn't have one on either. And I'm not even sure if anybody does. Okay, so this is the onesie. And it says Baby Bird. And it is a Carter's newborn. And the colors work and the birds work. So I dig it. I dig it a lot. I even like the way it looks next to my jeans. Now I think I'm going to put it over her head so I don't have to drag it over her whole body. So excuse us while we cover her face. It is, you guys, like 68 degrees now. Thunderstorms, of course, because it's getting so warm. 68 degrees. I think cooler weather's coming in, but it's going to be high 70s at some point next week, too. I am in Illinois, Midwest. Look at this baby. Look at her like that. Okay. Sometimes her colors stand out more than other times. Right now, her eyes look so purple. This lamp light. There's Jackie barking. I don't know what he hears. He might have heard me. I have these AirPods in, so yeah, look at her. Shh, shh, shh. Okay. That is it. We're done. Look at these little arms, these little sleeves. This is like the perfect fit for her. So, Laura by Bonnie Brown. This is a size newborn Carter's bodysuit. And it is like perfect. Look at the way her shoulder looks. I just love that. Gosh. It doesn't get old. This baby does not get old. All right, guys. Can you see enough of her detail? She looks very bold. You can see some of her veins coming through. A lot of her purples and reds are showing up. So sweet in these feet. Those feet. Sculpting is just spot on, man. All right. That is it just gonna cycle through the light once, warm, and off. Yeah, it's like you can see outside, kind of. Skies are looking stormy. Can't remember which one I had. Anyway. Alright. That's everything, guys. Sending out lots of love. We'll be back. Bye for now.